Hey, what's going on, guys? So I am out here gonna try a new Doritos flavor. This one is simply Sriracha. Oh, I'm sorry, Screamin Sriracha. I guess Halloween's on the way, right? So it's got to be Screamin. This is pretty straightforward. I mean, Sriracha flavor, right? So here's the thing. I absolutely love Sriracha. But it's not like something, it's not like a hot sauce I get consistently. I love trying new things. I probably have 40 hot sauce bottles in my refrigerator at the moment. The whole door is probably 80 pounds worth of just liquid hot sauce. So I know some people, like, let's say you really like Sriracha, like you go to the store and that's it. You just buy Sriracha. When the bottle's empty, you go to the store, you replace it with more Sriracha. It's kind of like a staple condiment in your household, like ketchup or mustard or ranch dressing or whatever you do. To me, like I said, I love Sriracha, but it's not like I just consistently buy it. I try all kinds of stuff. By the way, is Sriracha still really hard to find? Apparently there was a Sriracha shortage, and then people were buying like Sriracha bottles on eBay for $100 or something a piece. I have no idea. I honestly keep forgetting every time I go to the grocery store. I mean to go check the hot sauce section or the international section to find the Sriracha to see if they even have it by me anymore. I don't know. But after making this video, it's really in my mind. I'll make a note of it, and I'll try to go to the store and get some more. Because I do really like Sriracha. It's hot. It has a great flavor. It's very garlicky. It's its own thing. So anyway, enough blabbing about Sriracha. Here is the Doritos Sriracha flavor. See what these guys taste like. They smell good. They smell a little bit like chili powder and like a little hint of garlic. It smells like a dry heat. If you smell chili powder, you know, that's what it smells like a dry, peppery thing going on. So I don't know, they look like they taste like Sriracha. All right. By the way, the bugs are insane. I've been out here, I just set my camera up like 2 minutes ago. I could feel them feasting on me right now. So, here we go. All right, gotta go for a second try. They're pretty tasty. It is a very dry heat. They actually taste just like they smell. I don't know if it captures Sriracha specifically. It's definitely Sriracha like I said, with that kind of upfront garlicky type flavor, but more of a chili powder thing. They did okay. I'm looking on the back here to see if they actually add Sriracha, but it doesn't look like they do. You guys can take a look at that real quick for yourself. Pause the screen there. But yeah, I see paprika, red bell pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, salt. So I guess they're mimicking, come on mosquitoes, they're mimicking the base flavors from Sriracha. It's not bad. I do like the heat level quite a bit. Believe it or not, I can eat really spicy stuff, but I don't enjoy super spicy stuff. I just don't. I enjoy that middle heat where my mouth's lit up. I'm on fire, but I'm getting that little slight euphoric burn thing going on, but it's not like uncomfortable. I'm not, sweating and my glasses are fogging up and all that kind of stuff. I don't like extreme heat. It's just fun occasionally to do. This is a good heat. This is very minimal to me. If you like spicy food, it's not going to be crazy. If you're not into heat at all, maybe it's tolerable. Just depends on your specific tolerance level. But the thing I don't like about these is that it is that dry heat. So like the back of the throat, it just feels dry. Like I really need an ice cold glass of water with this. But yeah, it's not the best flavor in the world, but it's not bad. Yeah, I like it. There's a little bit of sweetness there, which is nice because you do get that with the Sriracha sauce. Like the more of them I'm eating, the more it is more reminiscent of Sriracha. So I guess I did an okay job on it. Are you better off getting cheese Doritos and just putting a little drop of Sriracha on every bite? Yeah, I think so. If you like Sriracha that much, just put it right on your chip. That's all you gotta do. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you've had these, let me know in the comment section what you think of them. I just think they're all right. Not bad. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go inside and itch myself in the next 25 minutes. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.